Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, this is like my first video in 2021. So, happy 2021. I'm low-key out of breath because I just took the trash out and I was like hella carrying shit. I wanted to vlog like to these next few days and kind of show you guys what I'm doing in 2021 and how I'm getting my life together. Yay. Okay, so the tea is 2021. It's the year, guys. We all gotta get on this. But I worked out this morning, did a quick workout today because I wasn't like feeling a full ass workout. I was just kind of tired today. But at least I did something. And then I meditated because I'm on my 2021 New Year's resolutions. I'm gonna try and meditate, you know, at least 10 minutes a day. And it's not a long time, so I feel like I can do it. I have a really hard time staying still for that long, but I think I can do it. I did it today and it felt really good, so that's good. I gotta make my bed every morning, which I normally do. It's just been lagging a bit this morning, but it's fine. Also want new healthy hair in 2021. Guys, have not washed this hair in a week. No, it's been a week since yesterday, so today I'm washing it. I'm gonna try and wash it once a week. 'Tis the year of no shopping, so I'm gonna try and not shop as much. And I've been going strong, you know, like I haven't really shopped since like right after Christmas, so I've been doing pretty good. I'm proud of myself. Thank you very much. Ew, you could just tell I haven't washed it because like you see all the brown peeking through way more, and yeah, that's gross. Honestly, 2021, the year of self-care, guys, so don't forget to care for yourself and do things for you. Do face masks, do feet masks, do meditation, yoga. Take care of yourself before you can take care of others. Okay, I'm gonna shower and I'll see you guys after. Guys, I just got out of the shower and no, I look crazy. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the products that I've been using for my hair because I feel like you guys always ask, but I'm honestly always switching up my hair products because I do get sent stuff, but I also buy stuff, so I always just am trying out different things. But this is what I used today, so I thought I would just show you guys that. So first, obviously shampoo. I used the Way Detox shampoo because I didn't wash my hair for a week, so it was obviously like very dirty, so I needed like a heavier shampoo. But with this, obviously you guys can tell like I just started using it, like I'm still trying it out, so I'm not gonna like advocate for it yet, but so far I like it. I like the smell a lot and I just like how it makes my hair feel super clean after. But today I did mix it with a purple shampoo. This is the DP Hue Cool Blonde shampoo. I got it off Amazon, but it is like a salon, I think, in Beverly Hills people go to, and they have like hair products. I've never been to the salon, but I saw good reviews on Amazon of this, so I did it and I just mixed it for like a light toning, not too heavy of toning, and I still wanted to like really deep clean my hair. And then for my conditioner, I did a mask because my hair was so dry like here, so I used also a Way product. They just launched these and they sent it to me, so I've been trying it out for a little bit. It's just a mask. This one is the fine to medium hair. Smells so good. Now I do like my leave-in products. I don't think I'm gonna blow dry my hair today just because I kind of want to let it breathe. I love how this is like a 2021 new me video, but I'm just showing you guys my hair stuff. So I'm gonna start out with another Way product, but I actually have been really liking this one. I used to use It's a 10 leave-in for like detangling and stuff like that, but this does kind of the same thing and it smells so good. I use the wet brush. Okay, next I'm gonna put in the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. So I just kind of put these on my ends just to give it some more oil moisture, like so. That's that. It just looks so dry, guys. I want to go back to brown so bad just because I know my hair will be so much healthier, but I don't know. I love the blonde. It's just, I'm struggling. Oh, but I got a new ear piercing. It's this one up here. Oh my god. Also, I'm breaking out so bad. Hopefully 2021 is the year of clear skin because I'm literally breaking out so bad. Adjusted my makeup and want to show you guys my outfit. So also in 2021, I want to kind of like really wear things that I don't normally wear. Well, like I would want to wear, but I kind of just always go with my safety fit. So this is a cute fit I put on, but I'm wearing this kind of like oversized jacket from Revolve, and then this shirt, it says "Don't play with my heart," and it's like two girls playing like a top tennis racket with like a heart, and it's from Brandy. I love Brandy right now. And then these pants are pinstriped and they're from Bershka. So let me show you guys the full look in the mirror outside here. This is the outfit. Also I'm wearing with Chelsea boots. These are like Prada dupes. I got them from Amazon, but they're the brand Sam Edelman by Circus. So I really like this fit. I want to take some pics. I'm just not feeling the hair. It's obviously like setting right now. Also did like some winged brown eyeshadow liner. I'm not sure how to feel about it. Kind of messed it up, but that's the vibe. Good morning, guys. Well, not really morning. It's about 12:50 in the afternoon. Had a late start this morning. Not really going good with my new year, new me vibes, but have a really bad tummy ache because I started my period and I've just been in bed really tired. I slept at a D's last night, so I'm gonna make breakfast and show you guys what I'm eating. Still trying to be healthy, obviously. I would eat oatmeal on a day like today because I need the carbs for my stomach, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna have eggs. I'm supposed to take pictures today, but I don't know. I can barely stand. My stomach hurts so bad, guys. Ugh. Cutting board for my egg. Okay, for my eggs, I'm just gonna put tomatoes and spinach. Because I just don't want like a lot in it. Cut the tomatoes. Today is Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I don't even remember what I did yesterday. Today Sky is at her training. She's going 3 days a week in the month of January, and they called us and said that she just is afraid of strangers, which we knew. Like, she's very afraid of strangers. So they have to do like different type of training for her. So yay, Sky. Cut the tomatoes and the spinach. Easy. I'm gonna cut half an avocado and then the other half for D. I don't know when he's gonna eat. He's just been working all morning. And this is gonna be for, look how beautiful. And then I'm gonna take one egg and some egg whites. So now we get to cooking. I'll see you guys after because I feel like it's boring. But. Okay guys, this is my brekkie of the day. I have avocado toast and some of my eggs, and then I made green tea for me and a D, a different type of tea. Let's do a taste test. Pretty good, if you ask me. Okay guys, we're outside now. It's like a little bit later, and yeah, Adi, say hi.
Hi.
We're just getting some sun because we're just not feeling it today. And in 2021, take time for yourself. If you're not feeling it that day, you can take the time and relax if you have the means to. Like today, we don't have to take my Instagram pictures. I should, but we might postpone until tomorrow, you know, because I'm just not feeling it. Feeling low, feeling tummy ache vibes, and yeah, so I'm gonna chill in the hammock and vibe out before we have to pick up Sky from daycare. Guys, get yourself one of these cheap little hammocks from Target. It's a game changer. A game changer. Hey babe.
Hey.
How's your tanning?
It's going pretty well.
You look like a majestic like man. You're glowing.
Thank you.
Are you working out?
Yeah.
Are you actually gonna work out later?
Probably not.
Me either.
Recovery day, baby.
Recovery. Tell the people what you're thinking about.
Alright, so what I'm really thinking about is this, okay? So you know how like Pop-Tarts, you put them in like the toaster?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
why are they called,
toaster strudels.
Pop-Tarts. They pop out the toaster.
No, I don't think that's why.
And they're tart.
I don't think that's why. You know, I've never tried a toaster strudel.
Oh, those are so good.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Can we get them?
No.
Hey guys, it's really loud out here, but it is the next day. I'm feeling way better today. And I'm gonna take Instagram pictures today because I didn't yesterday. So I'm gonna take you guys along on my Instagram picture journey. But I'm wearing this really pretty dress from Fashion Nova. It has like a collar. It's like such a cute, flattering material. You guys will see like in the pictures. And then I'm wearing these super cute like loafers with white socks. I don't know if I like the white socks, but I think it looks cute. I look like a little Addams Family girl in a way. I don't know. A little bit another outfit, but I think I'm gonna shoot that here. So I don't know yet, but I have to shoot 2 today. So wish me luck. Let's see if I do it. So makeup of the day is just normal. I put a little brown wing, like just in the end. I didn't even like go all the way. But I have to leave because we're losing daylight, so. Good morning, guys. Oh, I just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock, and it's the earliest I woke up this week. Well, not really. I'd be waking up. It's the earliest I got ready this week. Adie's on his way to pick me up, and we're gonna work out at his house. And the grind is starting. I've been kind of slacking this week, but Friday we made it. New year, new me. But yeah, so we're gonna go work out. Made my bed. Look, she's beautiful. But I'm gonna bring you guys along, maybe vlog the workout, we'll see. Okay guys, I'm at D's, we're about to work out. I'm on my phone because I brought my camera and I switched out the battery because I thought this one was gonna die. And then this one is not turning on, so it's clearly dead, so I have to charge it here, unfortunately. But we're about to get this bread. Trainer, tell us.
What I just thought of?
What?
Apple finessed us. You know how?
How?
Because when they took out the headphone jack and they started using earphones with the charging port, they did that so everybody could get AirPods.
Well, yeah, duh. What are we doing today? What's the game plan?
What are you trying to do?
I told you I want to work my booty. My booty.
I don't want to work my booty.
Why?
I want to work my arms.
No, 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 no. What is going on? Workout is completed. Now we're going to Kohl's because if you guys didn't know, if you order stuff from Amazon and you need to return it, you can take it to Kohl's and they do all the work for you. This is not sponsored, but shout out to Kohl's for making shit so easy. Yeah, this is not sponsored. It really sounds like it is. I need to stop talking about Kohl's.
Kohl's!
Kohl's!
Go to Kohl's!
Probably won't see you at Kohl's because that's embarrassing.
No, it's not. We're gonna see you at Kohl's.
Embarrassing.
Doesn't matter.
Embarrassing.
It's Emily being embarrassed because we're in Kohl's.
Guys, I'm getting ready to possibly take pictures. I'm just doing my eyebrows. They're so messy. I have to get them cleaned up, and like laminated, but I don't think I can get them laminated again for another month because you have to go like 2 months. The lady who did my eyebrows recommended me use like an oil. She uses this one and I already had this one, so this is what I use, Midnight Recovery Concentrate by Kiehl's. And I just oil up my brows to keep them moisturized. But they've grown so much. I don't know if you guys can tell. They've grown like crazy also because I've been using this. It's like an eyebrow gel, but it like helps with growth. So I've been using that a lot. And I think that's why my eyebrows are growing like crazy, which I'm not mad about, but I definitely need to get them done. Now I'm just putting my under eye cream It is the Youth to the People Dream Eye Cream. And then for my moisturizer today, I'm also using Youth to the People Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. It's just what my skin needs is moisture, and this gives it to me. And I'm just wearing this top from Revolve. Let me look at the brand. Lovers and Friends is the brand by Revolve. So super cute. It's like a halter, and I'll link it for you guys and you can shop it. Yeah, really like it. And I'm just wearing black pants with it, and I don't know, I kind of like digging like this bun. I might have to like fix it, but I vibe. I haven't washed my hair since Monday. It's currently Friday, and that's tea. Yay. Good morning, guys. We were supposed to wake up at 6 a.m. to work out, and guess what time it is?
4:30
a.m. We did it. Good job, babe. Woo!
I'm good.
Yeah, it's actually 9 a.m. and we didn't wake up early to work out. But if you guys want to see a video of us actually waking up that early to like, because I know like a 5 a.m., 6 a.m. morning routine is like it's supposed to be super good. Adi wants to try it, so maybe I'll make a video of us trying that.
I want to join the 5 a.m. club.
Yeah, so maybe I'll make a video of us trying that, but today is not the day. And it is Saturday, so I don't know what we thought we were gonna do. Like, we really were kidding ourselves, but maybe on a Monday we'll do it and I'll vlog it for you guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of week of me trying to get my life together. More vlogs coming soon. I have some announcements coming pretty soon. Pretty much tea. So I love you all so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life. Have an amazing 2021. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Maybe it'll be the announcement. You never know. Love you guys. Bye.
Go busy.